In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wonderful PowerPoint presentation. Open your web browser and search for PowerPoint. If you're using the online version, you may be prompted to sign in, so make sure to log in with your account so your work is saved and your tools are available. Once you're on the home page, choose Create Blank Presentation to start fresh. When the editing area opens, you're ready to build your presentation. Let's begin with the background. Right-click anywhere on the slide background, move your cursor to the background options, then click the arrow beside solid fill. Pick a color you like from the palette. As soon as you choose it, you'll see your slide background change to that color, giving your presentation a clean starting style. Next, let's add a picture. Go to the Insert menu at the top, click Pictures, and choose this device. Select a photo from your computer or gallery, then click Open. The image will appear on the slide. To resize it, click the picture and drag from the corners to keep it proportional. You can move it by dragging from the center until it sits exactly where you want. To quickly improve the layout, look at the design suggestions on the right side of the screen. Scroll through the options and pick a style that fits your topic. When you find one you like, click it to apply the layout instantly. Now edit your title. Click the title text box, type in your title, then select the text. Open the font dropdown to choose a font style that matches your theme. Use the font size dropdown to make it larger or smaller, and click the font color menu to pick a color that stands out against your background and image. To add more content, insert a new slide. Go to Insert and click New Slide. You'll now have a second page to continue your story. On this slide, you can insert additional elements. Use Insert to add a text box, table, pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, or a chart. Just click the item you want and place it on the slide. This is a great way to mix visuals and information for clarity and impact. Finally, add a bit of motion with transitions. Click the Transitions tab and select a transition you like. Keep it consistent and simple for a professional look. And that's it. You've set up a polished presentation with a custom background, engaging images, clean design, clear titles, additional slides, useful inserts, and smooth transitions.